Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can redeem codes on Roblox. Now, firstly, to redeem codes on Roblox, you'll have to have a device connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that your device is connected to the internet, open up a browser and log into your Roblox account. After you've logged into your Roblox account, you'll be redirected to your home page of Roblox. Now, on this page, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see this Roblox icon. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on this icon, a menu will appear on your screen. On this menu, there are three options: Buy Robux, My Transactions, and Redeem Roblox Codes. Now go ahead and click on this Redeem Roblox Codes option. Once you click on that Redeem Roblox Codes option, you'll be redirected to this page. Now on this page, you can fill in your code here and then click on this Redeem option. Once you fill in this code, and if your code is valid, and if you click on this Redeem option, the Robux will be, or the gift cards will be deposited to your account. I hope this video helped you to redeem codes on Roblox. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.